Everyone loves to sneak candies, chips, and cookies into class, but school snacks can also be healthy. We're going to share a few easy health snack ideas and ways of how to sneak sweets into class. Sweets can hide in the most unexpected places. No one will guess that my hair clip is decorated with marshmallow. Add water to gelatin and stir. Apply it to a flat top hair clip and attach marshmallows to shape a bow. When I feel bored in class, I just break a piece of marshmallow off the barrette and put it into my mouth. Any sweet-toothed hairdresser would be jealous of my cute candy stash. They say gnawing a pencil during class is a bad habit, but if the end of the pencil is decorated with a sweet star, it's quite the contrary. Roll out yellow sugar paste. Cut out a star using a cookie cutter. Make 2 cuts in the center and put it on a pencil. Dampen the sugar paste and attach sprinkles. Let the star harden. Yummy! My star tastes as sweet as good grades. Except that the teacher is not happy with our eating in class again. Miss Smith takes away all of our candies, but she doesn't know that we won't part with food so easily. My favorite pencil case is decorated with sweet caramel hearts. Mix 3 spoons of sugar and 3 spoons of water. Add some lemon juice. Put in a microwave for 3 to 5 minutes. Pour out the substance onto thin plastic to shape hearts. While the caramel is still soft, decorate it with sprinkles. Cut out the hearts when hardened. Hot glue their plastic back to the pencil case. I really love studying, and the sweet hearts on my pencil box symbolize my love for school. As for my friend, she's made something more substantial. She sneaked cheese and sausage in a powder container. Take an empty and clean powder container. Take out a sifter. Cut out cheese circles using the container as a cutter. Put sausage on top, and put the snack into the powder container. However, my friend opens the lid so loudly that Miss Smith rushes immediately to the noise. She takes the cheese away, and she takes my heart pencil case as well. But that's okay, she's won the battle, but she hasn't won the war. I've got another stash. Just look at my badge. Hot glue wrapped bubble gum to the back of a badge. I take a bubble gum off my badge, but my friend is not that lucky. There is nothing special in her badge. That's all right. I'll share my gum with her. But it seems that our plans failed. Miss Smith is inspecting our desk again. What does she want to find? A pizza hidden in a textbook? Anyway, this expert on finding smuggled food finally succeeds. She finds our secret rabbit with candies on the cover of a notebook. Draw a cute rabbit on a piece of white cardboard. Cut out 2 identical details. Make a round hole in the center where the tummy is. Put a zipper bag on top of the second silhouette. Put candies of different colors inside the bag. Put the rabbit with the hole on top. Hot glue the 2 silhouettes. In this way, we can seal the zipper bag. Cut off the excess bag and hot glue the candy rabbit to the notebook. That's it! It seems that she's fed up with us. Miss Smith is shocked at the amount of candies we bring to school. Probably she used to be a dentist once, and now she wants to take care of our teeth. This is why she urgently calls her friend the Queen of Fruit and Vegetables and the winner of the Healthy Diet Contest, Miss Food 2018. Miss Gonzalez to rescue us. Miss Gonzalez is a real cooking fairy. She immediately conjures up ingredients for healthy snacks. A healthy school snack cooking class is going to begin right now. First of all, let's make a healthy lunchbox with almonds, vegetables, and a sweet sandwich inside of it. Use silicone baking molds to prevent your snacks from mixing up in the lunchbox. Spread some Nutella on a slice of bread to shape a bear head with ears. Cut a banana into slices and peel them. Put them on the bread in the shape of ears and a muzzle. Flatten 2 little marshmallows to make eyes. Make pupils and a nose with Nutella. Slice a cucumber and make flowers out of them using a cookie cutter. Slice a bell pepper into rings. Put the pepper, almonds, cherry tomatoes, and the cucumbers into the silicone molds. Put the sweet sandwich on top. This snack set is definitely tastier and healthier than a handful of candies. We've written down the entire recipe